Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here again to talk to you about phonics for today. Our learning target for this week is I can demonstrate between short and long vowels. Boys and girls, this week we are talking about vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. We talked about that vowels have short vowel sounds, and when there are short vowels, we can hear for the sound that the vowel makes. We've also discussed long vowel sounds, and long vowels say its name in a word. Yesterday we talked about the short E vowel sound. We can listen for the short E vowel sound in words. The short E vowel sound is eh, like in the word bed, fed. Ed, fed. Web, web. Men, pet, pet. Did you hear the short E vowel sound in all these words? Good. Today we're going to talk about long vowels, and long vowel sounds say their name in the word. So today we're going to talk about the long vowel sound for the letter E. E says E in the word. Remember, when reading long vowel sounds, we listen for the vowel to say their name. Let's look back at this anchor chart that has our short vowels and our long vowels. Oh, we have been reading Pete the cat. So this word is the word Pete. Miss Tigner is going to stretch out the word to hear the long vowel sound for the letter E. Pete. Did you hear the letter E say its name in the word Pete? Stretch out the word and say Pete with me. Pete. The letter E says its name in the word Pete. So that is a long vowel sound for the letter E. Now listen to me read Pete the cat, scaredy cat, and let's find the long E vowel sounds in this story. Pete the cat, scaredy cat. Pete the cat is at the beach, but he will not go in the sea. Pete plays at the beach, but he will not go in the sea. Pete sees his brother surf, but he will not go in the sea. Pete finds seashells by the shore, but he will not go in the sea. Pete is very hot. He does not want to be a scaredy cat. He puts his feet in the sea. It feels good. He goes deeper and deeper. He is in the sea. Whee! And did you see or hear any long vowel sounds for the letter E? Let's see what we find in this story. See, what are the long E vowel sounds that we read in Pete the cat, scaredy cat? What about this word? B, B. Did you hear that the long E vowel sound in the word be? Let's look at this next word. Eat. Feet. The word feet also has that long E vowel sound. Eat. Well, let's look at this next word. See. The word see also has that long E vowel sound. And then we already talked about this word, Pete the cat. Eat. Pete. Pete also has that long E vowel sound. Can you think of any other words that have that long E vowel sound? Write them down, and I can't wait to hear what words you come up with for the long E vowel sound. Bye, boys and girls. I had so much fun teaching you today.